You are a beginner and you want to learn how to do your makeup in less than 15 minutes? Work on your eyebrows. Work on your eyebrows. Your eyebrows are everything. Your eyebrows are the ones that are going to shape your makeup. Your eyebrows are the ones that are going to make you look put together. So work on your eyebrows. We all have different eyebrow shapes. We all have different desires of how we want to do our eyebrows. This is how I do mine. If you like to, you can do it this way. If you don't, just do it the way you want to do it, but work on your eyebrows. The second thing, my love, is hydration. Before you do your makeup, make sure your skincare is on fleek. Hydration is everything. Do your skincare nicely before you do your makeup, because if your skincare is not sitting well nicely, your makeup is going to look cakey, your face is going to look ashy, your face is going to look dry. So do your skincare. Skincare is very important before you apply any liquid foundation, any foundation, anything on your face. Do your skincare first and make sure that you have hydrating products. And here is another thing, another trick that you need to master if you're doing your own makeup. Make sure that after you apply your concealer, you don't blend it immediately. You don't blend it all the way immediately. Just watch this video the way I'm doing it. I'm applying my concealer. After applying my concealer, I blend it a little bit, just a little bit. And then drop everything off. Go and wash your dishes. Go to the toilet and pee. Go and take a walk, stand up, and let the foundation sit in, and then come back and check the areas that you have creased, especially the under eyes. Check the areas that you have creased, and then take a cotton bud and then wipe that crease, the creased lines, wipe the concealer off, and then after that, go ahead and blend your concealer. Trust me, you will not have creasiness. Your concealer will not move. Your concealer is going to stay in place. You see, I'm dropping my brushes. I'm going to take time and play with my baby. Just take your time. Let that concealer dry in. Let that concealer sit on your skin. And then after that, you can blend it. This trick really works like magic. You will not have, you're listening? I'm removing the crease like that from the crease lines under my under eyes. I'm removing it with a cotton bud. So you remove that and then continue blending and then set your makeup. Trust me, your concealer is gonna look flawless. Your concealer is gonna sit in and look mwah. Also, blush is very optional when you're doing makeup. If you're a beginner, blush is not necessary. You can use a lipstick as a blush. You can use liquid blush. You can use powder blush, or you can use liquid and powder blush as well. That is for pros. But if you're a beginner, stay away from liquid brushes because it's gonna take time for you to know how to blend it right. Just use powder blushes, or just don't use a blush at all. It's optional. You don't have to stress yourself, okay? Again, this part here is optional. If you like to, you can do it. I like to draw. I like to put black eyeliners under my eyes because it makes my eyes pop. I like that. But if you don't like, it's optional. And then you can use just a lipstick, or you can use lip gloss, whatever that you have. And just like that, your makeup is done. It's as simple as like that. Simple as that. Just make sure you master your eyebrows and you do the concealer stick, and you're good to go. And this is my final look. I'm done doing my makeup. I feel good. I look good. It's not a lot, but it looks a lot. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Leave it for me. I'll definitely answer you.